Oh my god. I have to pull my pants. Hello there, it is me, QT Faint. Don't know why I said it that way, but here we are. I am coming at you with another Sanrense review. If you don't know, I am a promoter for Sanrense, so they do send me items for free. However, they don't pay me or ask me to say anything. Basically, they just ask me to make a video, which I would do anyways because I like to review products. I think it's fun, and I think it's like nice to know what stores are good and what stores are not. I think Sanrense is a really good store. Obviously, some of their products, they still have things that they could improve on. So without further ado, let's get right into it. I also have a plant now, so does that make me like an actual YouTuber? I don't know. I don't really know how to take care of plants, so fingers crossed he lives. Name him in the comments below. So first thing I always cover is shipping. It usually takes about 2 weeks. It's really consistently, like every single time I've ordered from Sanrense, it takes 2 weeks and then a couple of days to obviously put together and ship out. Let's begin. I got to pick all these items, which I was super excited about because sometimes they'll pick items for me that they want me to review, which is fine, but it's not always like something that I would wear that much, you know what I mean? You feel? I got some items keeping the fact that I'm going to California this summer in mind. First thing I do want to mention before I get into this video is some brushes that Sanrense sent me a while back. They are currently trying to sell the rest of their stock, and they're really freaking nice makeup brushes that are like $9. And you can also use my discount code QTFaint for an extra 10% off. They're not the pink ones, those are, I just keep them together. But they're all these rose gold brushes, and they're really nice. Like, they're super nice brushes. They're worth $9. Go purchase, please. Like, if you're new to makeup, I definitely recommend these brushes. They're really, really nice. So, I'm sorry, had to be a little promoty there, but I'm going to start with the clothing items first. I have 2 clothing items, some shoes, a wig, and some socks that were for gift. So first we have this skirt. It was a little bit big on me, and I believe it's like maybe a size, oh, it's a size large. I thought I asked for, did I ask for a size medium? Because I think I did. But I really love the way it looks. It has little embroidery on the top that says nice to meet you, which I think is really sweet. I really like the tennis skirts that have like writing or embroidery up here because it just opens up so many different outfit options. The sewing is really nice. There's a couple of loose threads at the hem, but it's not brazy. There's like, yeah, it's not too bad. I mean, you can just cut them off. It's not gonna do anything. The zipper was sewn in really nicely. It doesn't have a hook and eye up here, which is kind of weird. Usually like skirts that you buy from stores are going to have a hook and eye at the top of the zipper just to make sure it stays closed, but I personally don't mind it. It also has a lining and I think built-in shorts, yes. So the built-in shorts are the lining, as you can see. I don't know if you're able to see that, the built-in shorts. The only weird thing about the lining is it's kind of like bunchy up here, so if that's something that would bother you, I guess that's something to keep in mind. I'm also going to be giving every item a rating. So I'm going to rate the skirt 8 out of 10 because it's a really nice fabric. There's only a couple loose threads, the embroidery is done really well, and it has a lining. So that's all a yes from me. Next, I got this top, which it's kind of hard to show what it looks like by doing this. So I'll probably insert a photo of me wearing it or somebody else wearing it. I really didn't want to do a try-on because I feel like doing try-ons every single time gets kind of annoying, and I want to do something different. So yeah, it's basically a sheared top with like bubble sleeves. And then again, more shearing at the bottom of the sleeve, and then some like ruffle details. I really like the shirt. It is a crop top and it's off the shoulder. So yeah, I think it's really cute. I got it to go with this skirt. I don't really see any problems with it. Again, loose threads, but I feel like that's always something with Sanrense, is there's always a lot of like, or not a lot, but there's always a couple of loose threads. Which, I mean, even with this dress that I bought from Express, it has loose threads, so to me, loose threads is never a big deal. However, I know that it can really bother some other people. The fabric on this is really thick too, so you can't really see through it, especially since the top part is doubled, as you can see. Like, this is one bit, and then there's another bit right there that is not the back, if that makes sense. This is really hard to show. See, it has like 2 bits and then 2 bits at the back, so it's not that big of a deal. I don't know why I keep saying so much. God damn it. I really like this shirt crop top. It's very cute. I will definitely wear the heck out of it this summer with high-waisted shorts, high-waisted skirts, pants if it's cold. I give this a 9 out of 10. Super nice. Now we've got the wig. I ordered this pink wig. I wanted to get a long wig for some reason. Why? I don't know. I just like wanted long hair, I guess. And also, okay, this is actually something I remember now. I always open these packages first so I can collect my bearings of like my opinions. This wig comes with a wig cap, which I think is a super nice touch. Generally, most wigs I believe should come with wig caps. I think it's a nice addition. I don't know, wig caps break, it gets annoying. Came with a black wig cap. My complaint is it should have came with a nude colored wig cap, so one that matched this, since the wig is a lighter color and this is a lighter color. Putting a black wig cap underneath a light colored wig and a light colored like this bit, you're gonna see the black wig cap very easily, which, I mean, all in all, considering it's a free wig cap, I don't think it's a big deal because you can still go and buy a nude wig cap, or you might already have one. I just think it's not cool because this might be the first wig somebody decides to buy, and then their experience with wigs isn't going to be as good because they're going to think you're never not going to be able to see the wig cap underneath. I really recommend sending darker wig caps with darker wigs and lighter wig caps with lighter wigs, just so you don't see the wig cap. It's, you know, it's just like a little thing you could think of. I did message Sanritz saying this, so I believe they should be changing this, hopefully. I hope they change it or implement it, because I think that's a really nice free gift, but again, if it's your first wig, you probably won't already have wig caps. Moving on to the actual wig, this is a bit snarly because I did try it on and I smushed it back up. I really like this wig. It looks really soft and silky, and it's such a nice, like, muted pink. I'm dying. The bangs are a bit long. I really hate cutting bangs, so this is always an issue for me, but it is nice that it comes with longer bangs, so you can style them for cosplay or swoopy bangs or whatever you have in mind. I really like this wig. If you're gonna cosplay Princess Bubblegum, I think this would be a nice wig. I know some people go with a brighter pink or pastel pink, so if you want to go with the pastel pink, this would be a cute wig to go for. Especially if you're new into wigs, I would recommend Sanritz wigs. They're a little bit on the thin side, however, it's not really obvious unless you try to go about like ponytail styles or something. All in all, I think for the price, Sanritz wigs are really nice. So I'm going to give this about a 7 out of 10. Again, the wig cap kind of brought that down for me. I don't know why it bothers me so much, but it does. I'm going to show the free gifts that they sent me real quick. I really appreciate Sanritz's free gifts because they always have something to do with the items that they sent you. For example, I did buy 2 pairs of shoes, which are currently on my floor, and they sent me these little like foot pad things. Unfortunately, I don't really like these. They're like shoe pads, like you stick them in your shoes so your feet don't smell and are like slightly more comfortable. These just made the shoes too small, and on top of it, I don't really use like shoe inserts that often. The next gift they gave me were these little socks. They're super cute. They're just the good old-fashioned fishnet socks. I think they're super cute. And they did give me a whole pair. One whole pair. And I think that's just like a nice touch. These little socks. And both the socks go really well with the shoes that I ordered. Now moving on to the shoes, I ordered 2 pairs because I wanted to test their shoe sizes. Unfortunately, it's really difficult for me to find shoes from stores like Sanritz because my feet are big compared to their like generic or general sizing on shoes. I am an 8.5, which I would say is pretty like normal sized. So I wanted to try out some of these shoes to let you know, for any of you gals with bigger feet who want to know, can I fit in these cute ass shoes because I wanna? And the answer is sort of. I've had really bad experiences with cute shoes from stores like these where like I tried to wear them and I literally had to walk the streets without shoes on because it hurt so bad and I regretted wearing them. But these actually fit pretty decently. They are a little bit on the tighter side, unfortunately, but they still fit. Would I wear these to California or on a trip? to walk around a lot? Hell no. But, you know, if I'm running out on an errand and want to have some cute shoes, maybe. If I want to go to school, maybe. I will first begin with these black shoes. I don't know why I got like such kind of goth shoes, but I did. They are the Chinese size 39. I believe it's Chinese sizing. They have some buckle details on the ankle and then on the top of the shoe. It's really cool because you can undo that so that there's more space to get your foot in there. And then same with this. You also have a small little zipper here, and I was kind of confused because this is ripping on the inside, so that's something to, I guess, watch out for, because then it doesn't seem like the zipper is really doing anything. I don't know. These shoes are kind of on the cheaper side, I will be honest. The bottom foam is very, very light, very lightweight. You would probably slip everywhere in these if it was icy outside. These are cute shoes for maybe a photo shoot or a light walking. I wouldn't go anywhere crazy in these. A concert maybe. Just, you know, be careful. They are, again, as I said, a little bit on the cheap side. If you have a cosplay, these would be good cosplay shoes. Yeah, I mean, they're comfortable. They're a little bit on the tight side. Again, a little bit on the cheap side. So I'd say probably give these a solid like 5.5 out of 10. They're cute. I like them, but I don't think I'm gonna like reach for them that often. Going on to the next pair, I actually have worn these out because I did want to see how comfortable they would be. I don't really want to put that on my leg because I wore them, but they're kind of these faux Doc Marten kind of style where they have the yellow stitching all around the bottom. The heel bit is rubber, so it feels very like strong and sturdy. And then all around the shoe is like a pastel pink. These are a size 39 again, and they're called Fashion Sport. I have this cute ankle piece right here, and it's actually, again, a faux buckle, which I think is, it's weird. Like, I always see this with, again, stores like Sanrons where they have a faux buckle, so it's like this hooks on and goes like that. I don't really like those as much just because I feel like you can't get them smaller or bigger. All in all, these shoes are pretty comfortable. Again, a little bit on the small side for me, but they feel a lot sturdier than the other ones, so I feel like I would definitely reach for these more. Yeah, I don't know what else to say about these really. They would probably withstand more ice than the other ones for sure as well. I would give these maybe an 8 out of 10, and my biggest recommendation for Sanrons is to get bigger shoe sizes if possible, because it was hard for me to find shoes that fit me out of all of the shoes they had, and these were the two ones that I really liked out of all of them. So get more shoe sizes, get more 8.5s, get more 9s. We got some gals who got 10s out there, 11s. I don't know, get bigger shoes. You know, some guys want to wear these shoes, and they have bigger feet than girls, so, or generally guys have bigger feet than girls. Get more big shoes, please. And most guys I know and are friends with have bigger shoes than me, so it's like, what about these cute boys who want to wear cute shoes? Like, I don't know, I feel like there's so much untapped potential with shoe sizes on these like J-Fashion-esque websites. Wow, that's the whole haul for you. That's all the stuff that I got, and I want you to comment down below what your favorite item was. If you had all the money in the world, what item would you buy from this haul? And freaking name my plant, please. I don't know what to call him or her. Make sure to check out my Instagram for more content, and subscribe if you like me or my videos or want more Sanrons videos. You can also leave a thumbs up. I never know how to do intros. It's so fucking uncomfortable because it's like, okay, bye, have a good day, love you guys. Yeah, I could catch you on the flip side.